What's up guys, Quinn with 74 Weld here to do yet another wheel video. So it's been 2.5 years since Dylan and I shot at our old shop a video on why you want positive offset wheels, and that actually predated the release of the new, let's call it TNGA platform. So all of the new Toyota vehicles, that includes 6th Gen 4Runner, 4th Gen Tacoma, LC250, GX550, etc. And at that point in time, we made the argument that under no circumstance do you ever really want to run a negative offset wheel, and zero offset wheels are also bad options. And that triggered a bunch of people, but we kind of stick to our guns on that because we gave you a bunch of logic and reasoning and why, which is always critical, and you will always get that from us, is if we're gonna make a statement, we're gonna tell you why that is. So now we see a trend, which I don't wanna say we predicted because it was just wishful thinking and it was hoping, but it revolves around why you want positive offset wheels. And thankfully, we see a trend in the OEM space where, whether you're talking Bronco or Ranger Raptor or new generation Toyota, the OEMs are all moving to a much higher positive offset wheel. If you want to know why and why we want a high positive offset wheel, go watch that video. It's 2.5 years old and it's still relevant. But today in front of me, I have some new wheels from KMC, and thankfully we were kind of part of the development of this wheel. This is a new offering. I don't know when are they going to be released. By the time we by the time we release this video, these wheels are available, or they will be available very shortly. But this is essentially a cast version of flow-formed version of the Impact, right? I'm guessing that because I didn't actually look at the box. Yeah. It just looks like the KMC Impact. Super dope wheel. But this is a budget-friendly version of another high positive offset wheel, which we know fits all of our platforms because when KMC was developing this wheel that rolls off the table, they were cool enough to reach out to us, request models. We gave them full CAD of our portals, and this wheel was designed somewhat with that in mind. So specs on it, 17 by 8.5 plus 35. Great looking wheel. Are these the only colors? And so gloss black, matte black, bronze, and we would have a machined aluminum finish, except Jason Denny stole those, and so we don't have that one. But as you see us starting to release our own wheels, I have said this for years, I still stand by this, we're not trying to be a wheel manufacturer. What we want is better options for you guys so that we can better support our product line, and it's a pretty good option. It's, you know, it fits all of our brake components. We'll talk more about offset and track width in some videos coming up that Christian and I have been storyboarding and really want to shoot. But wanted to kind of talk about a new option. We're going to list this on our site as a quote-unquote approved wheel. And there are others that we're still digging through. So we get questions from customers, hey, what about this wheel? Our policy on that is pretty straightforward. We just reach out to the wheel manufacturer. If they're willing to share data with us, then we can verify fitment on our end. But we want to make sure that you guys have as many options as possible. I don't know price point on this, but this is going to be in the more cost-effective, more affordable version. It'll be down here. Our forged beadlock, 100% USA made, machined in-house is up here. But we just want options for you guys. We don't want to pigeonhole you into forcing you to run an expensive wheel that we designed. Options are better for everybody, and truth be told, this is a pretty good option. So 17x8 plus 35 clears all of our brake packages. Good looking wheel. You can buy it in multiple colors. It has a lot of good stuff to say about it. So KMC is in the process, I believe, of releasing this wheel right now. Maybe we'll wait to post this video till after they actually release it. But we're pumped, super stoked to be part of this project, and really happy to see the aftermarket pay attention to what the OEMs and other people in the aftermarket like us are doing and start to develop products that complement other stuff on the market. So, you know, there are Toyota platforms out there now, Ranger Raptor, some of the Broncos that are coming from the factory with like a plus 60 offset. So I keep losing this thing. So if you're looking for a good wheel that, depending on what your vehicle came with, this might be similar to the offset that the vehicle came with. It could be a lesser offset than the vehicle came with. Like if you throw these on a Ranger Raptor, you're going to add a little over 3/4 of an inch of poke per side. Some of the Toyota's new platforms come with a plus 60. There's a plus 35. So you can kind of control overall track width with offset on the wheels. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about track width and offsets and all this stuff, dig through the archives, watch the video that Dylan and I shot, where I want to say it was probably a 30-40 minute video where, yeah, we'll link it to where we talk about offset versus backspace, why you want positive versus negative, implications of all that stuff. We did a kind of in-depth breakdown, educational piece, I guess, about wheel offsets, and really dove into like the weeds on that stuff. So new wheel from KMC. We're super stoked to get our hands on it and have a manufacturer out there that is, you know, willing to engage and try some new stuff that we've been asking for. So we'll have this listed as an approved wheel on our list. You can check out that stuff under frequently asked questions and instructions. Scroll down to the platform that you're looking for, and you can see a bunch of wheel options. We'll also have some new 8-lug options coming out very shortly, and we'll do a separate video about that because that pertains to all the Jeep stuff. And in the meantime, if you like content like this, I never ask for it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And it shows us that you like seeing this kind of stuff, and we'll stick to it and keep pumping them out. See you on the next one.